Hello, dear friends. A warm welcome to you all. Dear friends, today I am here to tell you some exciting news about our small and this tiny family. We are marching towards 5,000 subscribers on this very channel, that is teaching and training. Yes, dear friends, so we are nearing 5,000 subscribers mark. Although talking about the huge subscribers count on other channels, this is something I should say nothing or meager, but I do believe that these baby steps are very much important as far as I'm concerned, as far as our small family of this channel is concerned. I do feel that I should share this news with you that we are nearing the 5k mark on this very channel. Dear friends, on this very moment, I would like to thank you all for your support, for your encouragement, because whenever I posted any video, you not only viewed it, you liked it, you shared it, and that encouraged me every time to make more informative videos about your professional, about your personal, and in a wholesome way about the education and teaching and training. Dear friends, it is we know that these baby steps, they are surely going to make it bigger, and I do believe that this very family, our family, it won't remain only this very small. There will be in near future, I inshallah believe that it will be bigger and bigger. I am myself committed to make each and every effort on my side to make this very channel more engaging for you, more informative for you. But on the other side, I do believe, friends, that you will support me, you will encourage me, and you will shower your love with your views, your likes, and all that when it comes to sharing any particular video. So, dear friends, at last, I thank you very much for your support, for your encouragement, for making me to come up with more and more informative videos on this very channel, and making this very channel to grow, I should say, slowly and steadily, but definitely we are growing. We are approaching to new markers, we are approaching to new, I should say, heights, and inshallah definitely we are going to make it bigger in near future. So, dear friends, keep supporting, keep encouraging me. Thank you very much.